So I'm going to show you guys how to make this triple berry knot pattern. I like to use it if my cord is too short. I can use it to lengthen my cord. I also like to add tassels like in the middle of a chain to make the project look more interesting, or at the end of a project just to finish the bottom. So you just cut a piece of cord to start and you just knot directly onto your chain, making 3 square knots. Then you take the center pieces of cord and you thread them back on themselves to make this little like circle loop, and then you make another square knot just to secure that, and that's a berry knot. So you make 3 berry knots, and then you're going to make another square knot about 1/2 inch down so that you have enough space above it to thread these extra pieces of cord through to make the tassel. And then you just do a then you do a gathering knot to secure it. If this is too fast, I have another gathering knot tutorial, but that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.